has been so long since I've uploaded a video, so thank you everyone who is checking this video out now. Just wanted to do a quick tutorial on me spray painting a makeup vanity mirror. And I actually bought this from someone and she got it off Amazon, so I'll try to have all that information in the link below, and as well as like the spray paint. So I did cover up the little holes where the bulbs go. I covered those with like a plastic bag piece and then a bunch of tape just to make sure that no spray paint got in those areas where the bulbs will be going. And then I just used like regular paper to cover up the mirror. So I'm just gonna do a couple coats of spray paint and let it dry and come back and do some more. So it was super hot this day, so it dried very, very quickly. And also I just wanted to mention that I didn't pre-sand it prior to painting it. I tried to and it really just scratched it up, so I just left it as is and went straight over with the paint. This is like 5 or 6 coats later, so this paint is like a semi-gloss finish, so I think it turned out beautiful. Around the edges of the mirror you can see that there's some like paint that's gonna have to be chipped off, but that's coming off very easy. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching.